Hot tub frequently asked questions. Owning a hot tub is all about relaxation, but sometimes you might run into a few hiccups. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll answer some of the most common hot tub questions to help you keep things running smoothly. Let's start with water clarity issues. Why is my water green? Metals in the source water, low chlorine levels, or improper water balance can cause your hot tub water to turn green. There are different solutions for each of these causes. If you are located near one of our showrooms, please bring in a water sample and our water care experts will help you get your water clear again. If you are located farther away, we are more than happy to assist over the phone as each situation is a little different. How do I fix a ring around my water line? A water line forming around the hot tub is normal on a fresh fill and can happen over time, especially with heavy use. We have a few simple fixes for you. Sometimes the water line ripes right off. However, if it continues to come back, please stop by the showroom and grab a scum duck. This little sponge will absorb all the oils and enzymes brought into the water and help to minimize the water line ring. Another option is natural spa enzyme or stain and scale to help eliminate the waterline ring long term. To find what is best for you, stop in or call any of our showroom locations. Control panel and heating issues. Why is my control panel flashing red? A flashing red light indicates the hot tub is in protection mode. Protection mode causes the hot tub heater to shut off due to low or poor circulation to protect the rest of the equipment. Typically, you will see your hot tub temperature start to drop when this is on. If you see this red light, go to your hot tub disconnect breaker box, shut off your breakers, take the hot tub filters out, and turn the breakers back on. Leaving the hot tub filters out of the hot tub, see if the red light goes away. If the protection mode red light goes away without the filters in the hot tub, it is time to chemically clean your filters or get a replacement set. If the protection mode does not go away and the temperature of the hot tub continues to drop, please contact our showroom service center to get an emergency kit or schedule service. For more details on cleaning filters and the emergency kit, please see the other videos on our page. Temperature and winter concerns. Why does my water lose temperature in winter? When the jet pumps are running, the jets can use air to create a more powerful massage. However, in the wintertime, it draws that air from the front compartment, which is much cooler than the hot tub water. This results in the water temperature cooling faster than expected. If you are experiencing this, turn off your aerator dials, or are often referred to as comfort controls, and waterfall. This will help maintain your water temperature to the desired level. Why are there icicles hanging from my cover? Icicles hanging from your cover is usually a sign your cover isn't sealing properly. This can be solved by tightening the front or back straps, and if needed, adjusting the cover cradle. An old or damaged cover might need to be replaced to keep the heat in. Some icicles around the middle seam or back of the hot tub can occur when the hot tub cover is being open and the moisture from the hot tub water goes down the side. Salt system maintenance. How do I change my salt cartridges? Depending on which controls you have, Limelight or High Life, go to your salt system screen on the hot tub controls. On the salt system screen, you will either see a replace cartridge button or a blue box with a cartridge image in the center of the button, usually on the right side of the screen. Press the replace cartridge button or the cartridge image. The hot tub will then change screens and shut the jet pumps off. At this time, have your new cartridge ready as the hot tub will prompt you to take out the old cartridge and insert the new cartridge. Once you have done this, the hot tub will prompt you to reset the salt system. Once the salt system is reset, confirm your output level and you are good to go until next time. If you need additional assistance, please give us a call or stop into the showroom and we would be happy to show you the steps. Why is my control panel flashing yellow? A flashing yellow light typically means the salt system is offline or needs attention. When you see this yellow light, go to the salt system screen on your hot tub and check for any notifications. One notification you may see is the salt system 10-day timer. This timer is asking you to confirm your output level so the salt system is producing the correct amount of natural chlorine for your use. If you miss this notification, the salt system will automatically go on vacation mode. Another reason the light may be flashing yellow is that the salt system cartridge needs to be replaced. The salt level is too low or too high, or the filters need to be chemically cleaned. For additional assistance on determining what your hot tub needs, please reach out to your showroom. How do I bring salt levels down? The salt we add to the hot tub is recycled in the water, so the only way to bring the salt level down is going to be a partial drain or a full drain and refill with fresh water. For an accurate salt level reading, you can use test strips or bring a water sample into any of our locations. General maintenance tips. What should I do if mildew forms on the inside of my hot tub cover? Mildew on the inside of the cover can be caused from an improper water balance, low sanitizer levels, or running the jets when the cover is closed. Found at our showroom locations, use aqua mitts or off the wall to clean the cover and leave the cover open for a little while after adding chemicals. This allows for proper ventilation and prevents mildew buildup. This is also a good indication that a line cleaner is needed on the next drain and refill. What should I do if I leave my hot tub unused for a while? If you're leaving your hot tub unused for a while, depending on your maintenance system, we will either want to make sure a new AdEase SmartChlor cartridge is in the hot tub, or turn your salt system down so that way the proper amount of sanitizer stays in the hot tub. If you are not going to be around to chemically clean your filters, we recommend taking the circulation filter out while the hot tub is not being used so we don't run into protection mode like we discussed earlier. These are just a few of the ways to keep your hot tub in good condition while you're away. Those are the most common questions we receive from customers of our hot tubs. If you aren't able to solve the issue with the instructions in this video, reach out to our customer outreach specialist or our water care experts, and we will be happy to help make every day better.